Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your daily tasks in Evernote in just a few simple steps. Open Evernote in your browser and click Tasks in the left sidebar to open your Tasks page. Click the new Task button at the top of the screen, which opens a Things to Do dialog where you can set up your task. Type your task title in the first field. For this example, I'm using Sample Task Name. Click into the description field below and add any notes you need. I'm typing just a sample here. Click the Custom button under the Due Date section to open the Set Due Date and Recurrence dialog with a calendar view. Select the date you want from the calendar. I'm choosing August 29. Then click Done. Click Add a Time to set a specific time for your task. Pick the time you want from the picker, then click Done again. Click the At Due Time Reminder field to open the Edit Reminder dialog where you can choose when you want to be notified. For this example, I'm selecting 30 minutes before, then click Done to confirm your reminder choice. Set your task priority by clicking one of the priority buttons. I'm selecting Medium here. Once everything's configured, click the Create Task button at the bottom of the dialog to save your task. You'll see a confirmation notification at the bottom of the screen, letting you know your task has been added to your Things to Do list. If you need to change a task after creating it, just click on it in your tasks list to reopen the same dialog with all your settings. You can add tasks directly from inside any note by typing /task, which is handy when you're already working in a specific note and want the task linked to it. The reminder options include at due time, 5 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, and 1 day before, so pick whichever gives you enough notice. And that's how to schedule your daily tasks in Evernote. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.